ambulance duty crew respond for an adult female fallen. Robbins residence, 11 Chester's Place, between Jones Quarry Road and the dead end. 1539, 5636.
Also 911 to Woodstock Company number 5, duty crew. Respond for an adult female knee injury secondary to a fall at Tinker Toys, number 5, Mill Hill Road. We're repeating to Woodstock Company number 5, duty crew. Respond for a adult female knee injury secondary to a fall at Tinker Toys, number 5, Mill Hill Road, between Rock City Road and Maple Lane. 1307, 5612. Now to Woodstock Company number 5, St. Clair District. Request respond evaluated subject at the Bank of America, number 81 Mill Hill Road. Repeating to Woodstock Company number 5, St. Clair District. Respond to evaluated subject at the Bank of America, number 81 Mill Hill Road, between Brook Road and Playhouse Lane. 921, 5612. Also 911 to Woodstock Company number 5, backup. Request to assemble and stand by in quarters for the structure fire. Mount Tremper request under mutual aid to assemble and stand by with your tanker in quarters. Repeating to Woodstock Company number 5, requested to assemble and stand by in quarters for your structure fire. Route 212 Lake Hill, Mount Tremper. You're requested to assemble in quarters with your tank truck for Woodstock, operating a structure fire. Route 212 Lake Hill near the Woodstock Post Office, Lake Hill. Also 911 to Woodstock, Company 1, 3, and 5, report of a barn fire. Numerous calls. Somebody in the area of the Post Office in Lake Hill, number 3929 Route 212. Repeating to Woodstock, Companies 1, 3, and 5, report of a barn fire. Numerous calls. Somebody in the area of the Post Office in Lake Hill, number 3929 Route 212, between Garrison Road and Mink Hollow Road. 903, 5612.